Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss about the questions which are asked for AWS CloudTrail in the certification exam. So a security auditor requires a history of all API calls made in your AWS account to identify who performed a specific action, which service you should use. CloudTrail, yes. CloudTrail is a service specially designed for auditing. It records every API call made in your account by users, roles, or AWS services. CloudWatch monitors performance metrics, config tracks, resource inventory, and trusted advisor is for cost performance optimization. You want to ensure that no one can tamper with your CloudTrail logs files after they are delivered to an S3 bucket. Which CloudTrail features should you enable? CloudTrail Insight, CloudTrail Log File Integrity Validation, CloudTrail Multi-Region Logs, CloudTrail Data Events. The correct answer is log file integrity validation provides a way to verify that your log files have not been modified, deleted, or forced after they were delivered to S3. Which one of the following is recorded by AWS CloudTrail? Network traffic between EC2 instance, changes to security groups, and IAM user relation. CPU utilization metrics for an EC2 instance. Application level logs inside a web server. So let's see, check what's the correct answer. The correct answer is B. CloudTrail records action taken through AWS Management Control SDKs, command line tools, and other AWS services. Network traffic is VPC flow logs and CPU metrics or CloudWatch metrics. A company has AWS resources spread across multiple regions. They want a single cloud trail to monitor activity in all regions. Is this possible? No, you must create a separate trail for each region. Yes, you can create a multi-region trail to aggregate logs from all regions. Yes, but only global services like IAM. No, Cloud Trail is restricted to one region at a time. You can create a trail that applies to all AWS regions, which is a best practice to ensure you have a complete audit trail to your entire AWS infrastructure. Which type of CloudTrail events records API actions performed on or within a resource, such as reading an object from an S3 object? Management events, data events, insight events, and network events. So, management events provide information about management operations, like creating a VPC, while data events provide information about resources application operations like S3 object level actions or Lambda functions execution. Next question is, your compliance team asks you to identify if any unauthorized users attempted to log into AWS Management Console. Where should you look? CloudTrail logs, config rules, Amazon Guard Duty, or inspector? So the correct answer is CloudTrail records. A. Console sign in events. While guard duty might alert on suspicious activity, the actual audit log of who signed in and who is found in CloudTrail. A developer is worried about cost of storing CloudTrail logs in S3 forever. What is the recommended strategy for long-term retention? Delete logs after 90 days, move logs to Amazon S3 Glacier using S3 lifecycle policy, disable CloudTrail for account older than 90 days, store logs in EBS. Okay, so the correct answer is moving logs to S3 Glacier via lifecycle policy is the most cost effective way to meet long term compliance requirement for log storage. Yeah. You want to receive an immediate email notification whenever a root user account activity occurs in your AWS account. Which combination of services should you use? CloudTrail plus SNS, CloudWatch plus EBS, IAM plus Route 53, AWS organization plus S3. CloudTrail can be configured to send events to CloudWatch events, which can then trigger an SNS topic to send you an email alert. CloudTrail logs are stored in S3 bucket. Which of the following is true regarding default encryption for these logs? True regarding default encryption. CloudTrail logs are not encrypted by default. CloudTrail logs are automatically encrypted using S3 server-side encryption. You must manually enable EBS encryption for the bucket. Logs are stored in plain text to ensure readability by auditors. Correct answer is CloudTrail delivers logs to S3. It automatically applies server-side encryption to the object. B. Using S3 server-side encryption. How long the CloudTrail event history keep data by default? Correct answer is 90 days C. CloudTrail provides a searchable 90-day history of management events in the console. To view events older than 90 days, you must previously configure a trail to deliver logs to an S3 buckets. So these are some of the questions which are asked in the certification for AWS. You can uh, refer to these questions by watching this video, and if you need this content, you can comment below. Thanks for watching.